Mm. This is going to be a quick vlog for you guys. Oh, I'm just taking my gummies. These are my Metamucil gummies. Guys, this morning I got up. I did my hair. But I want to tell y'all something I've been doing to my hair lately. I've been putting a plastic bag on my hair. You know, just a regular plastic bag. Let me go get it. Yeah, just a regular plastic bag. And this morning, I felt like I wanted to wear, short hair because I've been going to the sauna, getting in the sauna and things of that nature, losing weight in the sauna and improving my skin and everything like that. But I wanted to wear short hair today. And you guys already know what products to use when you want to have your short hair. We done been all through that, right? My chameleons, we have been through that. So I ain't gonna go into that. But I'm telling you right now, I like this plastic bag technique. Now, I don't sleep in it or anything. I get up in the morning and, I do my shower and everything. I put my product on my hair and I leave this on for like 5 minutes. Okay, that's all it really takes. And depending on, your hair texture and things of that of that nature, maybe you'll leave it on longer, but you'll learn that as you use this. So I don't leave it on long, and it allows that product or whatever I put on my hair to really soak into my hair strand. And it makes my curls define better. It makes my hair more moisturized. And girl, let me tell you, girls and guys, let me tell you, I am loving how it just defines my curls. I'm telling you, it does it so quick. Now, don't leave it on too long after you put your product on, because then you'll have like I won't put it on. I won't leave this bag on my hair no longer than maybe 5, the tops, 10 minutes, if that. Because then you'll get like a smell. You know what I'm saying? You just want that bag to really penetrate your product or whatever you're going to put on your hair. Then once you take that bag off, let your hair sit, do this to your hair, and then just let your hair sit for another maybe 5-10 minutes. When you go style your hair, because this is what happens for me. When you go style your hair is going to be so easy to manage. That product is going to have soaked in your hair strands so well. It's going to define your curls so nice. Now, like I said, guys, I am working out. I'm getting in a sauna and things like that. And y'all already know that my hair is longer than this. And y'all already know, if y'all have seen the other videos, what products I told you to use to make your hair look short. You can fake a TWA. And when I don't want my hair to look short, then I know how, just take a pick and lift it up. But I want y'all to try this plastic bag method. I do not sleep with it in my hair overnight. That'll be too much. And I think that's just, for me, I'm not doing that. In the morning, 5 to 10 minutes, put that plastic bag on, take it off, and then I'm good for today. Other than that, we should be where we are with our hair. And I'm going to tell you, I have something else that I want to show you guys, but that'll be in a different video. But tell me in the comments how this plastic bag worked for you guys with your products, okay? These gummies are so good. Guys, well, you have ReginaTV. This is another banger. I will keep coming to you with things that I find out and techniques that work. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Check out these curls. Let me see them curls. Let me see them curls. Y'all know what I'm finna say, right? I'm sexy.